So here's the thing. It comes down to education, right? Get on the community, watch what is IBC. If this is your first exposure to this, what is IBC is supposed to help you decide whether or not you want to keep learning or not. And then if you want to keep learning, watch the Becoming Your Own Banker course. Dig further into what you want. Make sure that your why is strong. Why do you want it? It's not somebody else's goal. It's your goal. We're the guides. Okay. If you decide this is for you, we'll guide you through it. We'll help set up the insurance contract. We'll help you service it. All of that, help you put it in motion. We're here for you to be your guides. It's like the Sherpa. Climb K2. You want to hire the guy that's got no experience to take you up K2. Hey, it's a discount though, and I got really good marketing. Or do I want the guy that can get it done? We're practicing what we preach. This isn't our first rodeo. And if you decide you don't want to work with us, we got some great people we'll refer you to. So make sure you get involved. Take control of your education. Don't let the noise educate you, because frankly, it's for their best interest. It's not for yours.